How to change country in Temu. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the region or country in this application. First of all, open Temu. Now here on the bottom, you can see this profile icon. Tap on your profile icon. Now here on the right hand side, you'll be able to see the settings option. Tap on settings. So here in your settings interface, here you'll be able to see an option called country and region. Tap on country and region. So here all the countries available. So select the country you want to switch into. So tap on the one. Now it will take some time, so you can directly tap on switch to the country's name. So it will show all the details and the products of the Temu that are available in that specific country. So it will be more easier for you to shop and have orders. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.